there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Sway Generous Makeup. My name is Carol, just in case you didn't know. And today I wanted to do a smoky eye, very romantic with a nude lip. And this is what I came up with. I used the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, which is this one right here. And I also used the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, which is this one right here. I actually did my foundation first this time, which is kind of, you know, not the way to go, especially when you're using black eyeshadow. But, you know, as long as you're careful, it's okay. But I did do my foundation first, and then I worked on my eyes. And after that was when I applied my concealer. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Click that little red button over there, and also the bell notification, so like that you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. And once again, thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate it. I'm very happy with the results that I've gotten. It's only been a month and a half, and I'm just super excited. If you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then keep watching. Alrighty guys, let's start by buffing in the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced in warm beige with my Morphe M439 brush. With the Morphe concealer brush, I am picking up the black color from the Makeup Forever Flash palette, and I'm applying it to the outer corners of my eyes. And then I am taking the Smith Cosmetics 235 brush, and I'm blending that out. When you apply a cream base like this right before you put on the eyeshadow, what it does is that it gives it a little bit more holding power, and it also either makes the color a little deeper or it makes the color a little brighter, depending on what color base you apply. Okay, so let's pick up the color Weekender from the Born to Run Urban Decay palette and just apply it all over the lids with this flat shader brush from Morphe. Picking up the Shadow Jet from the same palette, I'm applying it right over top that cream base that I applied previously with my Smith Cosmetics 247 brush, and at the same time I am blending that out. I know it looks like a hot mess now, guys, but trust me, at the end it'll all come together. Picking up a brown shadow from the Born to Run palette, I am using this Morphe brush, a very fluffy brush, and I'm blending out the edges of that black eyeshadow just to really smoke it out. I'm also applying that same brown eyeshadow to the center of the lid to blend that black eyeshadow more on the lid as well. I wanted to keep this eyeshadow look more on the matte side, which is why you see me only using matte shadows until now, where I am applying a highlight on the inner corner of my eyes. This is the color Obsessed from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm applying it with my M124 brush. Applying again the shade Weekender all over the lid with my Morphe M124 shader brush. While I was blending, the color kind of fades away, so I just wanted to reapply it. Picking up the Tarteist Double Take liquid liner, I am going to line my eyes. Instead of winging out my liner, I am taking this Morphe pencil brush and I am applying black eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eye. A little bit more compact though, so that it looks a little bit darker. So now I'm just adding a little bit more black eyeshadow and blending it a little bit more, because that's usually how it goes when you're working with darker colors like this. You have to keep adding until you get what you want. My goodness, it's a little scary being this up close and personal. But anyways, I picked up this Morphe cream palette that I had, and I am contouring today with creams instead of powders. My camera stopped recording when I started to blend and I did not notice. So yeah, this is all the footage you get. So here I'm picking up some wipes and I'm just cleaning out the edges of the eyeshadow, so that later on when I apply my Tarte concealer, it'll be a little bit more cleaner. I do think that this concealer is a little bit too light for me, but it does work as a brightener for my under eyes. But I am going to purchase one that's closer to my skin tone, because I do like a more even canvas as opposed to a face that's too highlighted or too contoured. Picking up this Morphe E47 brush, I am contouring my nose. And then I'm going to pick up the Morphe E24 brush and I'm going to apply that black eyeshadow to my lower lash line and blend it out with the Morphe E18 brush. Picking up once again the Tarteist Double Take eyeliner, I am going to use the pencil side to line my waterline. And also to tightline. I know it looks a little weird, but this makes a big difference when you're doing your eyeliner and applying lashes. With the Morphe M530 brush, I am picking up the Bahama Mama bronzer and I'm bronzing my face. And I'm also taking the Milani highlighter in Strobelight and I am applying that to the highest points of my face with the Morphe M510 brush. Yes, I know I have a lot of Morphe palettes. This is the Morphe Blush Palette 10B, and I am picking up another Morphe brush, and I am applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Just applying some Better Than Sex mascara to my upper and lower lashes. These are the House of Lashes in Noir Fairy Black. When I saw the finished eye look with the lashes on, I didn't really like the sharpness of the edges anymore, so with my finger I softened up those edges a little bit more because I felt that it was a little bit more flattering on my face. Picking up this NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in Push Up, I am applying that beautiful pinkish nude color on my lips. And over that, I wanted to apply this Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss in a beautiful nude color. I thought it complemented that pink nude very, very well and just gave it a little bit of a gloss. And that's it, guys. That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you try it out. This look can be worn for Valentine's Day if you'd like. Very smoky, but yet very romantic at the same time. So guys, till next time. Thanks again for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also click that bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload another video. And follow me on my social media, Sway Generous Makeup on Instagram and Facebook.